Gold prices are hanging around the flat line on Tuesday morning. Here to talk about that and option expiration is Mihir. Dange, Mihir, it's great to have you back.
Thank you very much.
So what are you seeing with the trade today?
Today we're seeing gold up slightly, gold and silver up slightly. Gold's up like $5 or $6 right now, trading $12.81 to $12.83 an ounce. We're seeing the S&Ps rally a little bit off of yesterday's sell-off. We're seeing a stronger euro, a stronger yen, and a little bit weaker dollar. So you're seeing a little bit of support here in the commodities. You're seeing higher crude prices, gold, silver, platinum, as expected.
You know, for a lot of retail investors, this seems like a very tough range or a tough spot for them to try and buy and sell gold. What would you tell them?
I mean, I agree with the retail investor right now. It's really hard to tell which way this thing wants to go. Prices have been suppressed for so long. The fear is, do I get in here? I mean, are there going to be lower prices? Technically, it looks like we're oversold, but there's still room to the downside. So I think if we cannot get through the 1325 area, I think you have to stay short gold, and there is potential below 1200 here. I mean, we're not really that far, but the areas of support I'm seeing are 1250 and then 1150. I think if you want to get long against the low of 1269, it's not a bad area to get long right around 1270, 1275 with a tight stop. But below that, I think you see lower gold prices.
How about with the silver trade? Are you a bit more optimistic in that precious metal?
I mean, there's a lot of supply-demand issue with silver. The thing that makes it most attractive to me is that you're seeing the gold-silver relationship at its highs. I think when silver was trading about $50 last year, that relationship had come down to like 35 to 1. Right now, that ratio is well in excess of 63 to 1. It has to make it attractive one way, and that's on an up move. If you feel like we have bottomed out and prices have bottomed out, I would buy silver before I bought gold.
All right, Mihir, and finally, what is the low that you're looking at both of these precious metals?
I mean, if we really put in a serious low, I think you could see, and these are like way below people's expectations. I think you could see a low of 1050 in gold. You could see a low of 1470 in silver, and that's if it really got oversold. So those are areas I think if it gets down there, you just have to get very long and just be patient with it.
All right, Mihir, thanks so much as always.
Thank you very much.
You heard me here. Right now, it's a tough trade on gold and silver. For The Street, I'm Joe Deaux.
Is gold a dead cat or a raging bull? Join The Street's commodities correspondent Joseph Deaux and Jim Cramer, founder of The Street, for an exclusive online video event Tuesday, June 25th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. To register, visit www.thestreetgoldevent.com. You'll hear from some of the best-known names in the precious metals markets, including Eric Sprott, founder and chairman of Sprott Inc., Doug Casey, chairman of Casey Research, Stephen Feldman, CEO and co-founder of Gold Bullion International, Rob McEwen, chairman and CEO of McEwen Mining, and Jeff Clark, senior editor of Big Gold. That's Tuesday, June 25th at 2 p.m. Eastern. To register, visit www.thestreetgoldevent.com.